Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Cynthia of Cynthia Plans, and in this video we're going to be planning the month of November in the monthly spread. I can't believe we're down to the last 2 months of the year, but here we are. I'm going to be using a kit from Jax and Pepper, and with that let's go ahead and get started. So as I mentioned, we have this kit from Jax and Pepper. It's a monthly kit that I'm using, and it was one of her specials quite a while ago. These are the covers on top that will cover these parts here, the numbers for day covers, some different flags for functional planning and tracking, some open event size stickers, like a bigger blank box sticker to block out a day, the holidays, any birthdays, a month cover up sticker, which I think up here, no, actually it's not even in there, so I can add it. Then I got these add-ons here for finances and goal tracking. There's some more functional stickers here as well that you can use, different icons to track bills and expenses, and then just some general asterisk stickers to mark important tasks or things that you need to keep note of. So with that, let's go ahead and cover up on the top here. Okay, so this sticker here was just to cover up all the time in the month that is not considered part of November. And there is this full box one here that I could use to cover this up, since this is also still October. And then we'll just have the parts of the month that are only relevant to this month. I'm gonna go ahead and put the December monthly sticker down here, so I have that to refer back to. And then I usually put the finances just above that. Okay, so I've got the outer parts already on, and then I have this post-it to kind of help me keep track of what I need to put in here. The first thing being a brunch on Sunday with Colleen from Planner Girl Chatter. Anita was nice enough to set that up for all of us, so I'm looking forward to that. On the 6th, we have a concert to go to, which I was supposed to go to with my husband, and it's kind of up in the air now if he's going to come with me or not, because he just got a seasonal job to make some money on the side, and I'm not sure if he's going to be working, so I may have to find an alternative date for the concert. And then I put this on here, but I'm actually not going to put it on my monthly because I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to go or not. I feel like there's some stuff happening at work that may create a conflict, so it remains to be seen if I'll be able to go to that FPRA meeting or not. The following day we have our annual Staff Professional Development Day. On the 17th, I'm thinking about having kind of like a little The Crown watch party with my mom and my mother-in-law, and I'm still working on that if we'll do it or not, but regardless, I will be watching the show. I really like that show. If you are into history, or you like the royals or anything like that and you have not watched it yet, it's on Netflix and I highly recommend it because it is a very well done show. Cinematically, it's very beautifully done. Like, just the directors that they've had have been really high quality. The the writing is really good and the acting is really good, so I recommend it if you are interested in that. It's not kind of that like tawdry stuff about the royals. Of course, those sorts of things are part of their storylines because there's so much drama that follows those people because of just who they are in life, but it's not anything like cringy or kind of, like I said, just worried about the gossip. It's a little bit more broad in the scope of what it tells about, so I really appreciate it because I think it's a really nice show. I have a day off the day before whatchamacallit, Thanksgiving. Gosh, can't believe I just forgot Thanksgiving. I'm still thinking about the crown apparently. I take the day before Thanksgiving off if I'm hosting Thanksgiving, so I can like spend my day prepping anything I need to prep and like cleaning. So that day I will be home. I think I'm gonna put the date covers down, so I'll be back in a minute and speed this up for you guys. Those are all down. I did think of one sticker while I was putting the date covers down that I want to add, and it's a reminder that Christmas will be a month away on November 25th, so I can keep that in mind. So the monthly part is done, and again, this is a kit from Jax and Pepper. It's a little bit non-traditional for November. It's a little less fall, but still with some fall colors in it. I did pull some washi. I'm not sure if I'll use any of it or not because I feel like the kit already has quite a bit going on in it, not in a busy sense, but I would hate to add washi and just make what's happening here look too busy. So I'm gonna leave this as it is, and normally I start with my monthly dashboard and then I go to the monthly, but I don't know why this month my brain was like fried and I started with the monthly instead of the monthly dashboard, so I'm gonna take a second and then flip to the dashboard and we can do that next. Alright, so it's time to do the monthly dashboard, my literal favorite part of the monthly. I love this dashboard. I think I've mentioned it before. A lot of people have really strong feelings that they don't like it. A lot of it has to do with the fact that the tab for the quote-unquote monthly is on the dashboard and not the actual monthly. That doesn't really bother me that much, but for some people it messes up their routine and it's something that they've been used to, so it's a struggle for them to get used to something different, and I totally understand that. Anything that messes up what I consider to be my routines, I get like really intensely irritable and sometimes even angry about, so I get it. But this dashboard I really love. For me, obviously I've done other spreads with it. It's a good place to get my kind of like my intentions together for the beginning of each month. This month I actually don't have any birthdays to list, at least not that I can remember. Sorry if I'm forgetting anyone. But since I don't have the birthdays to list here, what I'm going to do is start making like an idea list of gifts for the holidays. We celebrate Christmas in my family, so I'm going to be putting those in this part here. Still using this area for my blogs. Last month, whew, terrible, absolutely terrible, but we had so much going on with SSP and I had so much going on in my day job that it wasn't gonna happen. My reading log again suffered, but I'm hoping November will be better as well. And then I'll do affirmations here. I will do a reading log because I do have things to read, and hopefully I will have time to get to them, so I'm still gonna go ahead and do that. And then of course I always save this part for my memory planning, but this part of the video is only going to be about the dashboard. So let's go ahead and start whiting out the parts that I don't use. I've gotten asked about what I use a lot up here when I'm covering up the month, and this is a $2 Tuesday special from KPL Plans that I got, and it has the different months of the year in kind of hand-lettered font, which is not the same, but kind of does remind me of the one that exists already here, but that I cover up every single month because I just don't like the kaleidoscope. It's too colorful. And I cannot tell you where I got this washi from. I think I might have gotten it from Michael's last year when they were clearancing a bunch of different washes that they were no longer carrying. It might have been like in one of those tubes that they sell, but do not quote me on that because I am not exactly sure. I just wanted to do something that kind of had a fall vibe to it without being the same thing as what I've done in other months like September. So I've got my little section set up for Christmas gift ideas, my blog post ideas, and now I'm just going to grab another sticker from my Krissyanne Designs binder for affirmations. So the two affirmations I'm choosing this month, this one feels very in line with the mindset I want to have this month, which is in every season be thankful. That's something in general I've been trying to work on, and I feel like this month I want to do a gratitude challenge on my blog and on Instagram, so I feel like that is in line with that. And then additionally, I just want to, put the mindset out there that good things are coming to me, whether it's at work or with my blog or in my personal life or anything like that, and not have the paranoia that is often caused by living with anxiety that something is going to go wrong or that you have to overplan to compensate for what could go wrong. So I feel really good about those choices. You might be wondering why I'm doing this in pencil. It's simply because I feel like doing it in a black pen is going to be really harsh, and the colors here are pretty muted, so I don't want to do a harsh black pen. Okay, so I think that'll be it for this. I'm keeping it pretty simple. I'm a little irritated that this is a little askew, but I don't know if there's much I can do about it. Let me see. Now I feel like it's askew the other way. Okay, whatever. I just need to leave this alone. This is gonna be this spread. I keep it obviously pretty simple each time and then fill things along as I go in. Hopefully I accomplish all my goals this month with my blog posts and get some reading in too, especially because we're getting close to the end of the year, so I'm running out of time to get to my reading goals. I don't think I'll make them the goal that I had for myself, but I will still make some progress toward it, and that's still better than nothing. Then this is a monthly spread, as I did at the beginning of the video. Normally I do this part first, and I think probably for December, if my brain doesn't fail me again, I'll do this part again first before I jump to the monthly, but I don't know what I was thinking. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and with that, I'll see you next time for another plan with me, or have some other ideas that I have this month, and I hope you subscribe and stick around so you can see those videos. If you like this one, give it a thumbs up, and with that, have a lovely day, and thank you for watching my video.